Yes, I'm Venee of class 9 of Hinwa School. Uh, Here you can see it's an engraving machine. You may also wonder what's engraving. It's like a laser printing on any object. You can print any picture you want to choose on a cloth, metals like aluminium, steel, iron, and also on cardboards and wood. This is a wood. I'm going to switch on it. Now it's scanning the wood where it is. So to connect it, you have to download a app like called Engraver on a Play Store. I have downloaded it before, and now let's connect to it using Bluetooth. I've connected it with Bluetooth, and now you have to click on Photos option and select on the which picture you want to choose. Now let's make more darker to make visible on it. Now click on the next step. And now I'm going to start it. Now it's sending the picture to the machine. Now it's getting started. As you can see, it started printing. You can use any image to print on a cardboard, cloth, any metals. It will take according to the density and also according to the darkness you have kept. Like it can take half an hour or 1 hour.
Ma'am, if you